Magandang umaga, guys. Good morning. This is Vilma's vlog. Yeah. Good morning, guys.
Mabuhay! Good morning! Magandang umaga sa lahat.
Is that papuhay?
Mabuhay!
Okay. Look, what dirty job we do at the morning. Poor guy. What can you do every day? Okay, Vilma, you go and take out your Lamborghini. Give me that one. You should get a cab. You wanna go and get it? Okay, Vilma, take out your car. Lamborghini. Oh, that's Vilma's Lamborghini. I thought it's your Lamborghini.
Whose car is that?
What?
Whose car is that?
I don't know whose car. Someone put the car in there. Oh, so it's your Goldie, not a Lamborghini, eh? Yeah, Goldie. Vilma and Goldie. That's my poor car. Where we are going today?
We're going to my mechanic and we're going to check my tire today.
Your car tires, yeah?
I got an email from my mechanic about my saver tire.
Lifesaver tire.
Check for free.
Ah, good. Anyway, it is good idea. Anyway, we have trip soon, so we have to check it. We have everything good on car or not. So it's on Sunny Bank, yeah? Okay. So it's cloudy today. So it's like the tire. So what's this system usually? I don't know about in Australia. So usually you buy a tires.
Normally, you buy your tire and then you have some sort of warranty. 6 months or 1 year warranty. So when you buy a tire with your mechanic, you will get that warranty. And when the time comes, there's a due date or due time, they will send you a message or email about confirmation
For checking. Okay, that's
and
a good.
if there's something wrong, they'll have to fix the tire and it's free. You don't
Okay.
have to worry about any charge.
Good. That idea. That's good idea. Even I'm living here since last 3-4 years, but I don't know about this one. I always buy. Sometime I buy a new tire. Still, after 1 year I change it because it's like become flat or some tear off somewhere. So yeah. Anyway,
That's why it's a good idea to buy a tire with your mechanic.
good. So you should have your own mechanic, kind of, yeah.
You have to have your own mechanic.
It's a good relationship as
I've
well.
been with my mechanic for so many years. Never change.
Good there. Yeah.
I'm very loyal to them.
No, they're supposed to be loyal to you. You are loyal paying
Oh,
money.
they are loyal to me. Same thing.
No, you are loyal to pay them money, but they're supposed to loyal to give proper service.
It's the other way around. The same thing.
Yes. Yes, good.
It's like give and take.
Yeah. Good. Okay, guys, let's see over there. serious driver. No, no, not a serial. A serious driver. Are you gonna do a drift?
You wish.
Yeah. So here we are. Michael. Yeah, we done. So guys, we done. We gave our car. There were certain things we have to check. So we will get our car back about 12 o'clock. So let's see at 12 o'clock. So right now we have to wait and watch only. There's the car. It's a Vilma's Goldy. Yeah, your head is good, Vilma.
Huh?
Your head is good. It looks good, your hair.
Oh.
Okay guys, we got our text message to our car is done, fixed. Okay, so let's see, let's check what was there.
Hi. What did you found?
Unfortunately, it is quite a pricey one.
Okay.
The misfire, engine's misfiring, which is causing an engine knock.
Oh, I see.
And of course, you know about the bonnet struts, the bonnet coming down.
So that's right, the bonnet.
Yeah. So that's the quote to fix the misfire. That's for all 6 cylinders. The bonnet struts, I have to call my supplier because they don't actually have the pricing available on their website.
Okay.
They're not open today, unfortunately. So I'll try and get a hold of them as soon as I can.
Okay. Is it safe to drive like long distance, 2 hours drive or something?
I would have to say no, just the way the car is. If it does misfire too badly, it can cause issues internally in the engine.
Okay.
But again, it may last 2 more years the way it is now. It's hard to say.
Okay.
But yeah, that's completely up to you, what you want to do. That's just our recommendation to get it fixed rather than having damage to the
Yes, I
engine.
understand. Okay. Okay. So how about the tire thing? It's everything all good?
Yeah, your tyres.
Okay.
Fine, plenty of tyres. I'll just print this out for you.
Okay, Vilma, you need a new car now.
It's always good to ask them. Because I said I'm a bit suspicious.
So look, it's $1,500.
I-
It's better to sell it. Better to sell it, you know?
So what I could do,
Buy a new car.
we could drive until, because if we
Is
drive
everything
night,
is all right?
okay, everything is fine, but they said try not to drive long.
Okay guys, this is the ending of our vlog for today. So see you next vlog. Okay, see ya. Bye bye.
Ending.